Hello my dear students, if you are in class 12 and struggling with mathematics, I am here, your Monmay sir. Today we will break down some key concepts and most important questions of the chapters. So at first I will discuss integrals, which is very important chapter from class 12, and the most important, most weightage chapter is calculus. The whole calculus I will discuss at first, then I will discuss more and more. Okay,
today we will discuss that integral chapter. So before the board exam, your final exam, I want to discuss some important formulas with you, and all the best for your board exam first of all. Okay, so first of all, one PDF is there to this is the gist form of the whole chapter integral. As you know, integral are two types. First one is indefinite integration, second one is definite integration. Okay, so indefinite integration, like it will give you the value as the family of curves, that is the integral will be the family of curves, and definite integration will give you the finite value. Okay, since it will have the lower limit, upper limit. Okay, it is defined, so that's why it is called definite integration. Okay, so from this chapter CBSE asked last year, it will be MCQ or assertion reason. It is coming 4 questions. Okay, 4 into 1, that is 4 marks. Subjective question 2 marks, question 2 questions will come, and 3 marks question 2 will come. Okay, so total it was coming 6 plus 4 plus 4, that is 14 marks. No long questions they have asked last year. Okay, so you be prepared, they may ask you long questions also. Okay, from this chapter, but mostly case based question, mostly it will not come. Okay, so first of all, integration, that is actually giving you the, for the definite integration, application of integration is depends upon the definite integration. Okay, and integration will give you the family of curves for indefinite integration. Okay, so this will give you the of curves. Understood? Now some standard formula you have to remember, since derivative and integration are the reverse process or converse process, you can say integration is anti-derivative. No, so what if you will see, find antiderivative of any function, that means they wants to ask you the integration, find the integral. Okay, so the formulas you have to remember, those are the formulas. I am scrolling, please remember those formulas at first. Without that formulas you cannot solve the questions. Okay, so those are important formulas. Here only 14 formulas. Okay, after that also so many formulas are there in integration. So integration usually solved by some methods. First method is integration by substitution, second method is integration by parts, and third method is integration by partial fraction. Except that some different forms are there of integrand by which you can solve the integration, and some standard formulas also is there from integration by substitution, that is next integration is log of mod of sec x, integration cot x is log of mod of sin x, integration sec x is log of sec x plus tan x, or log of tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Basically this sec x plus tan x is same as tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 by the help of trigonometry. Okay, and integration of cosec x is log of sec x minus cot x, which is same as log of tan x by 2. Okay, understood? So those 4 formulas are very important. Okay, so you have to remember. Then standard trigonometric formulas are there, you have to remember for this chapter, tan x plus y. Okay, tan x minus y, tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y, and tan x minus y will be minus sign will be there, and here will be plus sign. Okay, now some standard formulas also there, special functions which I told now only, some special functions are there. So there are some formulas which are without the square root, and some formulas are there same forms in the denominator but with square root. Okay, so at first this 1 2 3, okay, these 3 formulas are without square root. So in the without square root na, always see, you will see that 1 by 2a, 1 by a, 1 by a, that type of thing will come, 1 by 2a, 1 by a, 1 by 2a, and a square if the constant at first position, then log a plus x by a minus x. How to remember these formulas? Students, I told that when a square minus x square, you can write a plus x into a minus s. Can I write the factor x square minus y square formula? Here also the factor will come x minus a into x plus a. So how to remember? See, 1 by 2a, here also 1 by 2a, both formulas have 1 by 2a, log, and inside the mod it will be a plus x, first factor will be in numerator and second factor will be in denominator. Here also first factor will be in numerator, second factor will be in denominator. So you have to remember that for constant, if they are in the first position, a plus x will be the
It's 16:39. To hear your notifications, follow the notification on your phone to turn on notification access.
Those formulas are coming every year. Okay. Third formula, in that case, okay, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, or you can say like this also. So mostly you will remember this formula, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, ঠিক আছে তো দেখ, and with square root 3 formulas are there. With square root same forms, square root of s square minus x square is sin inverse x by a, root over x square minus s square will be log x plus root over x square minus s square, and this formula. Okay, I am scrolling and I will not take too much time on that formulas. You can remember those formulas because throughout the year you are doing those formulas. Okay. Now integration by partial fraction also there, some forms are there. So partial fraction basically what you have to make the fraction into partially, you have to make the fraction. Okay, like rational functions, you know, if the integration is rational function, this is called rational function. Okay, in that case you have to make the fractions and partially you have to break it. Okay, so some forms are there. First form is if x plus minus a or x plus minus b, so factors one time it is repeating. Okay, in that case simply a constant by x plus a plus b by x plus b, this form one first form. If the factor is repeating, see square is here, square, okay, x plus a whole square, in that case one time single factor you have to write a by and b by x plus a whole square. Okay, and see 3 factors are there, single times it is repeating, so capital A by x plus a, capital B by x plus b, capital C by x plus c, understood. And if in the denominator these forms are there, x plus a one time you will write and x plus b c 2 times it is coming, so x plus b one time you will write here and x plus b whole square. Like this you have to make the partition of the fraction. Okay, now similarly this, and x plus a whole cube is there, though x plus a whole square and x plus a whole cube. Okay, now see this is the special one. If in the denominator one factor is here, x plus a means x power is 1 here, no, so linear factor, and there is the quadratic. If quadratic is there, na, what you will do, like a, capital A by x plus a, simply you are taking, and whenever quadratic is coming in the denominator, what you will write in the numerator, bx plus c, b and c are constant. So basically what is happening here, you have to know the perfect rational function. What is the perfect rational function? What is the meaning of perfect rational function? Perfect rational function is like px by qx. Suppose two polynomials are there in the numerator and denominator, those are polynomials, so qx should not be 0, okay, because this is rational function and which is perfect. Perfect means the degree of the numerator function is less than degree of the denominator function by 1. Okay, degree of px is less than degree of qx by 1. Degree should be less than qx denominator function, but it should be less than, like power should be less 1. Okay, so in that case it will be a perfect rational function. Here see, if I will write b by x square plus bx plus c, in that case, so obviously in the denominator function the degree is 2, in the numerator function it is 0, x to the power 0, so it is not less by 1. So that's to avoid this, to make the perfect rational function you have to write bx plus c, understood, bx plus c. Okay, now integration by parts, liet. Priority, liet or ilet. A functions, I stands for T stands for trigonometric function and E stands for exponential function, understood. So you have to remember this liet or ilet, it will give you the priority of the functions, first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority, fifth priority, like this. Okay, so at a time if like suppose x sin x is there, so x is algebraic by parts formula is this integration you will you have to remember this formula, to solve the by parts. So how do you know the integrand is in the form of integration by parts? So whenever two functions are in the form of multiplication, so you will apply the integration by parts formula. where one function will be the first priority, another function will be the in the second priority. Okay. So this is the priority list. I inverse functions, so it may be sin inverse function also, because trigonometric functions it may be inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. T stands for trigonometric functions which are sin x cos x, and inverse trigonometric functions is sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, like this. Okay. L stands for logarithmic function, A stands for algebraic function, and E stands for exponential function. Okay. So this chapter has 3 methods. Okay. First method is integration by parts, integration by partial fraction, and first one was integration by substitution. Okay. By those 3 methods you can solve the questions. Okay. Now see, some formulas are as these special type of functions, like which I already discussed, integration of dx by a square minus x square. Okay. If somehow it will maybe like a square minus x square dx, in that case what will be the formula? Integration by root over a square minus x square, what will be the formula? Okay. So here are special more 3 types of formulas you have to remember for this chapter. It is integration of root over a square minus x square dx, it will be half of x root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Second formula is integration root over x square minus a square dx. Okay. It will be x by 2 root over x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of mod of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. Okay. And third formula, so second and third formulas are only the difference is this. Okay. Only the difference is with the plus and minus sign. You, the students are making mistake on that plus or minus. Okay. So root over x square minus s square, if minus is there, in between them it will be minus. Okay. If plus, if the plus sign is here, square root of x square plus s square, in that case it will be plus. So make sure you are giving the right sign. Okay. Plus or minus. Then definite integration, as you know, it will give you the finite value as result. Okay. So definite integration, why it is called lower limit and the upper limit are defined, lower limit and upper limit are defined, that is why it is called definite integration. Okay. So in that case you will not write any c as the result when you will write, though it will be a finite value. Okay. It will be a finite value, no integral constant will come. Understood? So some properties, very important properties will come, because in the last up to last session these properties of the definite integration has been deleted, but in this year they have added this already, this properties of definite integration. Okay. So integration of a to b,
It's 16:49.
a to b. Okay. If you are changing the, in that
It's
case if you are
16:49.
changing the variable throughout this function, it will give you the same value, result will be same, finite value will be same. So students, if the limits are same but the so in that case the integral, definite integral value will be same, remember that. Okay. Then integration, and you are changing the outside, okay, of the integration, minus sign will come. Then most important property, third one is a to b fx dx. If the limit is a to b, you can make partition in the limit, like domain it is a and c is any point in between a and b, you can make the partition from a to c and c to b like this. Okay. So integration you can write a to c, and here integration c to b, function will be same. Okay. Most important one. And fourth one is, it is called king property. It is called king property because most of the definite integration by property this chapter solved by this king property. Okay. Integration a to b fx dx, integration a to b fx dx you can write equal with integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. Okay. A plus b minus x, lower limit plus upper limit minus variable. Okay. Then fifth one is the queen property, like sub formula of the king property. Okay. Integration 0 to a, if the limit is from 0 to a, it will be integration 0 to a f of 0 plus a means a minus x dx. Can you remember these formulas? Okay. So other in these formulas you can remember this and this. Actually basically odd function, even function, if you know, odd function means, students, odd functions means if you are changing the sign of the domain like f of minus x, if it is giving you minus of fx, it will be odd. Okay. And what is even function? Even function means if you are changing the sign of the domain it will be giving you that f of x simply, it will be plus sign. Okay. So, if the function is even function, then if the limit is minus a to a, if the limit is minus a to a, you can write 2 into integration 0 to a f x dx. Very important property. If the lower limit upper limit are like minus a plus a, okay, minus a to plus a, in that case you will check the function. If the function is even function, like how to check even or odd function, like suppose f x is given sin x, okay, f x is given sin x, is it odd or even function? How you will check? Instead of x you will write minus x, so sin of minus x, and as you know minus will come outside of sin, so sin of x, it will give you minus of f x, understood? So, it will be odd function, understood? So, if the function is odd, then directly you can write the answer 0. Basically this property you will apply in the MCQ questions, okay. You will check the function, the given function is odd or even. If the function is odd, then directly you will choose the 0 as answer, okay, you do not have to solve, directly you can write 0 answer. If the function is even, then that limit you can write 0 to a, and that 2 will come outside of the integration, then you will normally how you are solving the integrations, like this you can solve, okay. And similarly this 7 number same as odd or even, see this is actually even and it is denoting odd, even or odd. If odd then 0, and in even then 2 times 0 to 2a f x, understood? So, those are formulas, gist formulas, okay. Now, even odd function already here. Now, come to the important questions, okay. So many important questions I have chosen already, like 40-50 questions. So, I will give you some questions as homework, you will do practice on that, okay. So, in this PDF previous year questions also there, later on I will discuss. First of all, come to another PDF, wait. So, first important question is this. So, this is actually basically it is the knowledge of antiderivative, okay, basic and antiderivative. First question is like this, see f dash x is given, the derivative of the function is given. So, if always remember, if the derivative of the function is given and they are asking the function, what you will do? You will apply integration on the derivative. As you know, integration and derivative are converse, they are converse to each other, okay. So, in that case whenever integration of derivative will write, it will be neutral, okay, it will be neutral, like as you know that reciprocal, it will be get cancelled, no. So, like this. So, f dash x is given, x by 1 x minus 1 by x square. In that case what you will do, f dash x you will write d of f x, derivative of f x, okay, d means derivative operator. Now, after that what you will do, take integration sign on both sides, when you are taking integration on both sides you will write dx here, okay. So, integration and derivative, what I told, that integration and derivative are reverse, converse to each other. What you will write now? It will be only f x in the left hand side, and right hand side it will be x integration is x square by 2 minus x to the power minus 2, integration of x to the power minus 2, what will come? X to the power minus 3 by minus 3, or minus 2 minus 1 by minus 1, what? The formula is x to the power n, x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c, no? So, x to the power minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1 by minus 1, ultimately it is coming minus 1 by x, okay. So, what we will write, students? It will be plus 1 by x, okay. 1 by x square integration will be minus 1 by x, so plus c. So, f x is coming this, but this is not the answer, c is coming, na, in the answer c is coming. So, what we will do to eliminate that c, what you have to do, here one condition given, it is called initial condition, okay. That initial condition you will put f of 1 equals to half. What does it mean? At x equals to 1, the functional value is coming half, okay. What we will put to find the c, instead of f x you will put half, instead of x it will put 1. So, তোরা বুঝতে পারছিস কি করছি, x এর জায়গায় 1 বসালাম, f x এর জায়গায় হাফ বসালাম, because of the given condition, initial condition. তাহলে 1 বসালে কি হবে, x এর জায়গায় এটা হবে plus c. So, c is coming, see 1 half and half get cancelled out, c is coming minus 1. So, answer is coming, so therefore the ultimate answer will come f x equals to from here, okay, x square by 2 plus 1 by x minus 1. This is your answer, okay, this is your answer. Then question number 2, see, আচ্ছা question number 1, এটা কিন্তু তোদেরকে যে কোনো ফাংশন দিতে পারে, any type of function they can give you, ওকে, এখানে আমি f dash x নিয়েছিলাম x minus 1 by x square. Similarly they can give you any function f dash x equals to any function. Then second question, evaluate integration of this is trigonometric function in the integrand position, no? So what we will do, whenever coming this type of, there are two types. First type is very easy. Why? Because you can multiply by its conjugate, like 1 minus sin x is there in the denominator, you can multiply by 1 plus sin x in numerator and denominator both. So in the numerator it will be 1 plus sin x whole square, ঠিক আছে? So 1 plus sin x whole square is coming in the numerator. So and denominator what is coming? 1 minus x into 1 plus sin x. So as you know, a plus b into a minus b, what is the formula? A square minus b square. So you can write 1 minus sin square x, directly I am writing cos square x, okay? And in the numerator what is coming? 1 plus 2 sin x plus sin square x, okay? Now what we will do, that you will simply separate that numerator and denominator both. 1 by cos square will give you sec square x dx, then 2 into integration. So sin x by cos x will give you tan x, and 1 cos x will be there in denominator, it will be sec x. So sec x into tan x থাকলো, তাই না? sec x into tan x dx plus sin square by cos square will give you tan square x, কিন্তু আমরা tan square লিখবো না কিন্তু, ঠিক আছে? So as you know, there is no formula for tan square x. Integration of tan square x এর কোনো ফর্মুলা নেই। Integration of sec square x dx এর ফর্মুলা আছে, it will be tan x, okay? So what we will do, we will change tan square x in the form of sec square x. How? As you know the formula, one identity is here, sec square x minus tan square x is equals to 1, okay? So what can I write? Tan square x as sec square x minus 1. So sec square x minus 1 dx. Now directly answer is coming, sec square x dx, and also here sec square x dx, 2 times sec square x, so directly you can write 2 into tan x plus sec x into tan x integration. As you know, derivative and integration are converse to each other. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x, so integration of sec x tan x will be sec x only, okay? Minus x plus c, this will be your answer. Mark it, okay? Third is also important for 1 marks 2 marks question. What is that? Integration of numerator দেখ একটা কিউবিক পলিনোমিয়াল দেওয়া, and denominator এ সিম্পল লিনিয়ার ফ্যাক্টর দেওয়া, একটা ফ্যাক্টর দেওয়া x minus 1. তাহলে আমরা কি করব, ক্লাস 9 এর দেখ x কিউব মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার প্লাস এক্স মাইনাস 1, এটার আমরা ভ্যানিশিং মেথড কীভাবে করি, আমরা একটা জিরো খোঁজার চেষ্টা করি। উই আর কী করবো জিরো খোঁজার জন্য, এক্স ইকোয়ালস টু 1 থেকে স্টার্ট করবো। ইট ইজ কল অ্যাকচুয়ালি হিট অ্যান্ড ট্রায়াল মেথড, ওকে? সো এক্স ইকোয়ালস টু 1 কেন পুট করলাম ডাইরেক্টলি? বিকজ উই আর ট্রাইং টু এলিমিনেট দিস ডিনোমিনেটর ফ্যাক্টর, ইট ইজ এক্স মাইনাস 1. সো অবভিয়াসলি এক্স মাইনাস 1 যদি একটা ফ্যাক্টর হয়, তাহলে এক্স ইকোয়ালস টু 1 কী হবে, জিরো হবে ওই polynomial. So if I will put x equals to 1, see it is coming 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, it is cutting, it is coming 0, so vanished. So that's why we are getting one factor, it is x minus 1, okay? This is also one factor x minus, so 3 times write x minus 1, 3 times write x minus 1, okay? Then what we will do, x cube. So how to get x cube? If you multiply x square যদি multiply করিস তাহলে x cube চলে আসলো মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার। সো দেখ এখানে কিন্তু অলরেডি মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার ছিল, আমাদের মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার চলে আসলো, তাহলে আমাদের এইটুকু অবধি ক্লিয়ার, ওকে? এক্স কিউব মাইনাস এক্স স্কোয়ার অবধি ক্লিয়ার হয়ে গেল। দেন এক্স মাইনাস 1, সো হোয়াট উইল ডু, প্লাস 1 if you will multiply, automatically see plus x minus 1 is coming. So we don't have this, you don't need this x minus 1 3 times, only 2 times is enough. So x minus 1 into x square plus 1 is coming. So now instead of this numerator, what you will put, x minus 1 into x square plus 1 by x minus 1. দেখ কী হয়ে গেল, x minus 1 ফ্যাক্টরটা কেটে গেল, সিম্পলি x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 1 এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন খুবই সহজ, x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 1 এর ইন্টিগ্রেশন খুবই সহজ, x কিউব বাই 3 প্লাস এক্স প্লাস সি, ওকে? এই কোশ্চেনও আসতে পারে। দেন ফোর্থ ওয়ান, এই কোশ্চেনগুলো কী করবি দেখ, যদি ডিনোমিনেটারে বা নিউমিনেটারে বোথে যদি আমাদের এরকম চলে আসে, এরকমভাবে দিয়ে দেওয়া থাকে স্কোয়ার রুট দেওয়া থাকে, কী করবি, র্যাশনালাইজেশন করবি। র্যাশনালাইজেশন করা মানে রুট ওভার 1 মাইনাস 2x মাইনাস রুট ওভার 3 মাইনাস 2x দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করবি, তাহলে ডিনোমিনেটারে কী চলে আসবে, স্কোয়ার রুট উইল বি এলিমিনেট হয়ে যাবে স্কোয়ার রুট, তাহলে কী হচ্ছে 1 মাইনাস 2x মাইনাস 3 মাইনাস 2x, তাই তো হবে র্যাশনালাইজেশন করলে, ক্লিয়ার র্যাশনালাইজেশন। তাহলে ডিনোমিনেটারে কী চলে আসলো দেখ, 2x কেটে গেল, সিম্পলি মাইনাস 2 আসলো, তাহলে আমরা মাইনাস হাফ বাড়ি নিয়ে নিলাম, হ্যাঁ? নিচে -2 আসছে, -1/2 বাইরে নিয়ে নিলাম, আর স্কোয়ার রুট অফ 1 - 2x মাইনাস স্কোয়ার রুট অফ 3 - 2x, তাই তো থাকছে। তাহলে আমরা একে সেপারেট করে দিই, হ্যাঁ ইন্টিগ্রেশনটাকে সেপারেট করে দিই, এটা একটা ডিএস, আবার এখানে একটা ডিএক্স। ক্লিয়ার? এখন আমাদের কি করতে হবে বলতো, এখন আমাদের সাবস্টিটিউশন মেথড কাজে লাগাতে হবে, সাবস্টিটিউশন মেথড। ক্লিয়ার? এখন কী করবো, ফর দিস ইট ইস I1 মাইনাস I2। I1কে কীভাবে সলভ করবো দেখ, I1 হলো ইন্টিগ্রেশন রুট ওভার 1 - 2x dx। কী করবো, 1 - 2xকে আমরা টি স্কোয়ার ধরে নিলাম, একটা ভেরিয়েবল টি স্কোয়ার কেন, স্কোয়ার রুটটাকে এলিমিনেট করতে চাই। ক্লিয়ার? সাবস্টিটিউশন মেথডকে ভালো মতো বুঝতে হবে। টি স্কোয়ার ধরলাম, তাহলে কী হয়ে গেল, -2 dx ইজ ইকুয়ালস টু 2t dt। Clear? -2 dx, so it is coming minus dx equals to t dt. So dx is coming, so what will come, t into dx is t dt, so t square dt and minus sign is coming outside. Okay, so basically it is coming minus t cube by 3, that means minus 1/3 t cube মানে কি, t যদি স্কোয়ার রুট অফ 1 - 2x হয়, কিউব কত হবে, 1 - 2x টু দি পাওয়ার 3/2। ক্লিয়ার? বুঝতে পারলি, প্লাস c1। সিমিলারলি I2 যদি ইন্টিগ্রেশন করিস, ইন্টিগ্রেশন রুট ওভার 3 - 2x কী হয়ে যাবে বলতো, রুট ওভার 3 - 2x কী হয়ে যাবে, মাইনাস, দেখ এখানে অবভিয়াসলি ছিল, তাহলে এখানে কী হয়ে যাবে 2/3, দেখ এখানে যদি 3 - 2xকে যদি আমরা টি স্কোয়ার ধরি অ্যাগেন বা জেড স্কোয়ার ধরি, তাহলে কী হয়ে যাবে -2 dx 2z dz। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে dx চলে আসলো -z dz। ওকে, তাহলে I2 কী হয়ে গেল, I2 হয়ে গেল সি ইন্টিগ্রেশন z ইন্টু কী হয়ে গেল, z ইন্টু ডিএক্সের জায়গায় লাগবে -z dz, সো জেড স্কোয়ার হয়ে গেল, z কিউব বাই 3, তাহলে -1/3 হয়ে যাবে আমাদের z কিউব বাই 3, 3 is here, z কিউব মানে 3 - 2x পাওয়ারে 3/2 প্লাস। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে আমরা এখানে I1 I2 জায়গায় বসিয়ে দিব, অ্যান্সার চলে আসবে, সিম্পল। এখানে 5 নাম্বারে কী করবো, 5 নাম্বারে আমাদের ফ্যাক্টরে ভাঙতে হবে। আমাদের টার্গেট কি, ইট ইস x² + 1। হাউ টু এলিমিনেট, তাহলে আমরা যদি x⁶কে x² পাওয়ারে কিউব দিয়ে দিই, তাহলে দেখ a³ - b³ ফর্মুলা কী ছিল, a³ - b³ ফর্মুলা ছিল a - b ইন্টু a² + ab + b², তাই তো, a² + ab + b², বা আমরা যদি a³ - b³ ফর্মুলা, a³ + b³ ফর্মুলা বলি, ইট উইল বি a + b ইন্টু a² - ab + b²। ফর্মুলাগুলো কিন্তু ছোটোবেলায় শিখেছিস, কিন্তু এগুলো কিন্তু সবসময় মনে রাখতে হবে। ক্লিয়ার? আচ্ছা, বেসিক্যালি অ্যাকচুয়ালি দিস কোশ্চেন আই থিঙ্ক দ্য প্রিন্টিং মিস্টেক ইজ হিয়ার, ইট শুড বি মাইনাস। ওকে, ইট ইজ মাইনাস। তাহলে আমরা যদি ফ্যাক্টরে ভাঙি a³ - b³ ইট উইল কাম x² - 1 ইন্টু x² প্লাস x⁴ প্লাস x² + 1 আসবে, বা x² - 1 dx। দেখ x² - 1 এই ফ্যাক্টরটা কেটে গেল, কেটে গিয়ে কী হলো, ইট ইস কামিং ইন্টিগ্রেশন x⁴ প্লাস x² + 1 dx। করে নিবি বাড়িতে। আচ্ছা, সিমিলারলি 6 নম্বরের সলিউশন দেখ, ইন্টিগ্রেশন ই টু দি পাওয়ার, এটা একটা প্রপার্টি, ই টু দি পাওয়ার, ধর আমি বলেছি n log x, বেসে ই, অবভিয়াসলি ক্যালকুলাসে লগ লেখা মানেই বেসে ই থাকা, ঠিক আছে। তাহলে এটাকে আমরা কী লিখতে পারি, ই টু দি পাওয়ার লগ x⁴n বেস ই।
It's 17:10.
এখানে কী হয়ে যাবে, x⁴ 6 ক্লিয়ার, x⁴ 6 মাইনাস x⁴ ডিভাইড বাই x⁴ মাইনাস x³। তো এখানে আমরা কী করতে পারি, কমন নিতে পারি, x⁴ যদি কমন নিই কী আসবে, x - 1, এখানে যদি x⁴ কমন নিই তাহলে আসবে x - 1, x - 1 কাটলো ফ্যাক্টর দুটো, তাহলে কী পড়ে থাকলো দেখ, ইন্টিগ্রেশন x² dx, সিম্পলি x³/3। সো এগুলো কি 1 মার্কস 2 মার্কসের জন্য খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট। ওকে, সো 7 নাম্বার, দিস সেম ফর্ম আই হ্যাভ ডিসকাসড ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, সো ইউ উইল ডু অ্যাট হোম। ওকে, বাড়িতে করবি। কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 8 অলসো, সেই কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 8-এ এ আর বি দুটো কনস্ট্যান্ট ছিল, এই দুটো কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকার জন্য ইনিশিয়াল কন্ডিশনও দুটো দেওয়া আছে, এই এ বিটাকে ফাইন্ড করার জন্য দুটো কন্ডিশন দেওয়া আছে। অবশ্যই ভাবি একবার, হ্যাঁ বাড়িতে প্র্যাকটিস করি সেটা। 8 নাম্বারটা 7 নাম্বারটা। সো ইন্টিগ্রেশন বাই সাবস্টিটিউশনের সাম ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন্স আর দেয়ার। সো ইন্টিগ্রেশন বাই সাবস্টিটিউশনে ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন ইজ কোশ্চেনটা একটু স্পেশাল, এটা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট।
It's 1713.
ইন্টিগ্রেশন করতে পারবি না, এটা কি?
It's 1714.
এ বি সি টাইপের।
It's 1715. It's 1715.
At first,
It's 1716.
substitution element 12 or multiplication.
It's 1718.
Coming Number 10 is very easy, I guess. Question number 10 is very easy. Evaluate integration 2x plus 1 by root over 3x plus 2. In that case 3x plus 2 you will take t square. Okay, to eliminate the square root কি করবি 3x plus 2 কে t square ধরে নিবি, ঠিক আছে, I guess এটা পারবি। Then question number 11. Question number 11 is like this. See here integration, so it is definite integration, okay, integration 1 to 4 x square plus x. So x you can take x plus 1 dx by, acha, instead of making common you can write x square plus x in the denominator 2x plus 1, no? So can I take late 2x plus 1 is equals to t square, same, okay, or you can take t also, so t square. আচ্ছা, if you are making 2x plus 1 equals to t square যদি ধরিস তাহলে দেখ ডেরিভেটিভ যদি করি 2 dx is equals to 2t dt. কেন ধরলাম t square? Why I am taking t square? Because the square root, I want to eliminate the square root from the denominator, ঠিক আছে, so it is coming dx equals to t dt. আমরা অনেক কোশ্চেন করব, ঠিক আছে, so be prepared. Now change the limit also, here for x and t. As you know this is definite integration, so আমাদের ভেরিয়েবল চেঞ্জ করলে লিমিটে চেঞ্জ করতে হবে, okay, so x is from 1 to 4, t will be, so put here x equals to 1, if you put t square is equals to 1, t square is equals to coming 3, no, it will be root 3, okay, and if you put x equals to 4 it will come 4 to the 8 9, so 3, root 3 to 3, so put here root 3 to 3, okay, x square. Acha, can I write x is equals to t square minus 1 by 2, can I write it? Acha, now from here put here t square minus 1 by 2 its whole square plus t square minus 1 by 2, that much, and dx is equals to t dt, so write t dt, okay, divided by t, root over 2x plus 1 is t I have taken, so it is coming root over 3 to 3. Now we have to simplify this, so t get cancelled at first, so now we have to simplify it. How to simplify? You can do in rough as well as you can do here also, okay, so t square minus 1 whole square by 4. Acha, can I do directly? The LCM is 4, okay, so it is coming t square minus 1, that means t to the power 4 plus 1 minus 2t square plus 2 will be the LCM, so 4 is the LCM, so 2 into 2 4, so 2t square minus 2, okay, dt. Now what is coming? Here root 3 to 3, 1 by 4 I am taking common outside, and it is coming t to the power 4, 2t square get cancelled, t to the power 4 minus 1, very easy, 2 to the power 4 minus 1 dt, so it is coming answer is 1 by 4 t to the power 5 by 5 minus t, okay, and put the upper limit minus lower limit here, okay, so upper limit minus lower limit করলে কি হবে, 3 to the power 5 is 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 to the power 5 is 243, so 243 divided by 5 minus 3, it is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit if you put it will come that root 3 to the power 5, root 3 to the power 5 okay, root 3 to the power 5 by 5 minus root 3. Acha, can I simplify here anyhow? Can I simplify here anyhow? Check once. If it is not, then do here only, put the values directly, answer is coming. So 1 by 4, okay, so it is coming answer. Write the answer, simplify it, it will come 243 minus 15 by 5 minus as it is, right, as it is, okay, 3 to the power 5 by 2 by 5 minus plus root 3, okay, write like this only. Since we cannot simplify it, this is the answer, you can simplify here, you can get the answer, okay. Acha, question number 12. Question number 12, evaluate integration x plus 2 by root over 2x plus 2x square plus 2x minus 3. So first of all, this is one type of function where px plus q in numerator linear polynomial, and in denominator under the square root the quadratic, okay, quadratic, and in the numerator it is a linear polynomial. In that case what you will do, কোয়াড্রেটিকের ডেরিভেটিভ আমরা জানি লিনিয়ার আসবে, কোয়াড্রেটিকের ডেরিভেটিভ কী আসবে, লিনিয়ার আসবে। সো আমরা কী করবো, এই কোয়াড্রেটিকে ডেরিভেটিভ করলে যা হবে সেই ফর্মে এখানে নিউমারেটরে আনার চেষ্টা করব। উই উইল ট্রাই দিস, ওকে। সো আমাকে আগে দেখতে হবে যে স্কোয়ার রুটের ভিতরে যে কোয়াড্রেটিকটা আছে সেটা ডেরিভেটিভ কী। ইট ইজ 4x প্লাস 2 আর এখানে দেখ x প্লাস 2 আছে, 4x প্লাস 2 নেই। তা কী করবো, উই ক্যান ডু লাইক 2 ওয়েজ, ডাইরেক্টলি ইউ ক্যান ডু অর ইউ ক্যান মেক ইট ইন দ্য ফর্ম লাইক you can write px plus q is equals to a into derivative, a is the constant, a into derivative of this quadratic যেটা নিউমারেটর ডিনোমিনেটর আছে কোয়াড্রেটিকটা স্কোয়ার রুটের ভিতরে প্লাস বি, এই ফর্মেও করতে পারিস, এই ফর্মে করলেও হবে। অর ডাইরেক্টলি ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু ডু লাইক এটা ডেরিভেটিভ নিচে আনতে চাচ্ছি, উপরে আনতে চাচ্ছি 2x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2x মাইনাস 3, এটা ডেরিভেটিভ কত আসছিল 4x প্লাস 2 যদি আনতে চাই তাহলে আমাকে কী করতে হবে, 1/4 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে 4x প্লাস 8 হয়ে যাবে, ওকে। দেন কী করবো, 4x প্লাস 2 এক্সট্রা করে 2টাকে আমাদের আলাদা করতে হবে, তাই না। তো 4x প্লাস 2 প্লাস 6 এভাবে লিখতে পারবো, 4x প্লাস 8কে 4x প্লাস 2 প্লাস 6 বাই রুট ওভার 2x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2x মাইনাস 3, ওকে। তাহলে এখানে কী চলে আসতো দেখ, ডেরিভেটিভ মিনস ডি অপারেটর অফ 2x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2x মাইনাস 3, 4x প্লাস 2 কি ডেরিভেটিভ অফ দিস ডিভাইডেড বাই স্কোয়ার রুট অফ 2x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2x মাইনাস 3, ওকে, প্লাস 6/4 আমি আলাদা করছি, 6/4 মিনস 3/2 ইন্টিগ্রেশন dx বাই রুট ওভার 2x স্কোয়ার প্লাস 2x মাইনাস 3, ক্লিয়ার, এটুকু অব্দি ক্লিয়ার। নাও হোয়াট উইল আই ডু, ক্যান আই কম্পেয়ার দিস ফর্ম ইন্টু দিস লাইক ইন্টিগ্রেশন fx ইন ডিনোমিনেটর অ্যান্ড ইটস ডেরিভেটিভ ইন নিউমারেটর। ডেরিভেটিভ মানে কি, ডেরিভেটিভ মানে ডি অফ এফএক্সও লেখা যায়, এফ ড্যাশ এক্সকে ডি অফ এফএক্সও লেখা যায়, ডিভাইড বাই এফএক্স, ক্লিয়ার এভরিওয়ান। সো আমরা যখন এরকম লিখতে পারি মানে নিচে ডিনোমিনেটরে ইজ দ্য ফাংশন অ্যান্ড নিউমারেটরে ইটস ডেরিভেটিভ, দেন ডাইরেক্টলি ইউ ক্যান সে লগ অফ mod of the denominator function plus c integration, directly you can write. Now here see square root of fx is here, square root of fx, acha. Now if square root of fx is here, so we cannot write log of mod of the denominator function directly. So now we will apply this like this only, dx by root x type function. See, instead of fx can I write x here also, instead of fx x, can I compare is like f dash x dx, can I write d of x by root over x, okay. Now if suppose dx by root over x is here, integration they are asking, what you will do, x to the power minus half dx, x to the power minus half dx, which is x to the power minus half plus 1, that means x to the power half. So 2 root x is coming, no, 2 root x plus c in that case. So in that case what we will write, 2, directly I am writing 2 root over this denominator function 2x square plus 2x minus 3. So always remember one note I am making here, okay. If integration d of fx in the numerator and denominator, d of fx means derivative operator, divided by square root of fx, in that case you will write directly 2 root over fx, ঠিক আছে, 2 root over fx plus c. This is shortcut I am saying, if you can remember it, okay. 2 to get cancelled out, 2 to the 4, understood. So it is that left hand side, and now plus 3/2, what we will do here, dx by square root of 2x square plus 2x minus 3. Can anyone tell me, like 2 into, if you take common 2 from square root, root 2 will come, so square root of x square plus x minus 3/2, can I write it, x square plus x minus 3/2, can I write, if you take common, what I am trying to make it perfect square, okay. I I am trying to make it perfect square. Which one? This one's under the square root. Understood? If 2 is here, you cannot make perfect square. That's why at first only I am taking 2 common outside. Understood? Now easily you can make perfect square. How? X square plus 2 into x into half. Can I write 2 into x into half plus half square? Half square. So what I am taking extra? 1 by 4. So later on I will subtract it. 1 by 4. So ultimately what is coming? X plus half whole square, x plus half whole square minus 4 is the LCM. So 2 to the 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, so 7 by 4. Now ultimate answer will come half into root over 2x square plus 2x minus 3 plus 3 by 2 root 2 integration of this dx by root over x plus half whole square minus root over 7 by 2 whole square. Understood? 7 by 2 whole square. Now what will I do? That formula. You know that formula now? Integration dx by root over x square minus a square. What is that formula? What is that formula? Log of mod of x plus root over x square minus a square plus c. You will apply this formula in this integration. You will find the answer. Understood? So do yourself at home. Now next is evaluate sin inverse root over x plus x by a plus x. Okay, in that solution see integration sin inverse square root of x by a plus x. What is my target? My target to eliminate this square root. My target to eliminate this square root. Understood? How to eliminate this square root now? So since it is inside the sin inverse, now my target to make this is sin theta type. Okay, if sin inverse sin theta, it will be theta only. So now my target to make it sin theta. Now see, we know some note a plus x, a minus x and x minus a. If those conditions are coming, like suppose a plus x somewhere coming, a minus x somewhere coming, x minus x somewhere coming, what will I do? How to apply the trigonometry here? You can take x equals to a tan square theta. In that case, a tan square theta. If we will put x instead of x, a tan square theta, what will come? A you can take common, it will come 1 plus tan square theta. Is it not? 1 plus tan square theta. Now 1 plus tan square theta, what is that? Sec square theta. So a sec square theta. Directly we can simplify it. Understood? Now let us suppose a minus x is there. A minus x. In that case, what we will put? A minus x. If it will come, then what we will put? X, either x equals to a cos square theta or a sin square theta. No, a cos square theta or a sin square theta. Suppose a cos square theta if I am putting, what will come? Let me check. It will come a, you can take common 1 minus cos square theta. Directly you can simplify into one trigonometry, it is a sin square theta. No? Or if it is x minus a, in that case what we will put? Can anyone tell me? Like x minus a, in that case you will put x equals to a sec square theta. So if you put a sec square theta, what will come? A will take common, it will come sec square theta minus 1. Sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. So a tan square theta. Understood? So either you can put here a tan square theta or a cot square theta. Here either a cos square theta or a sin square theta. Understood? Or here you can put a sec square theta or a cosec square theta. Please make it note. Okay, anything they can give you in the exam, anything. Okay, like x by a plus x, in this question they have given. Now what will I do? In this integration, put this x equals to a tan square theta. If you will put, what will come? Sin inverse square root of a tan square theta divided by a sec square theta, and dx will come. See, if you put x equals to a tan square theta, what will come? Do derivative on this. If you do derivative on this, what will come? Dx equals to 2a into 2 tan theta into sec square theta. Okay, 2 sec square theta. Now write here integration sin inverse square root of a get cancelled. Acha, instead of dx, what we will put? A comes outside, 2 tan theta into sec square theta, d theta. Obviously theta is here, I have forgot to write. Understood? Now it is a big question. Okay, you have to solve for the 3 marks question it. Okay, now a tan square theta by so it is coming, square root will be vanishing, so tan theta by sec theta, tan theta by sec theta, and 2 tan theta into sec square theta is there. Okay, so what will I do now? Simplify inside the sine inverse. Tan theta means sine by cos, sec theta means 1 by cos, so cos cos get cancelled, only sine theta is coming, into 2 tan theta into sec square theta d theta. So what is coming? See, sine inverse sine theta is theta only, so theta into 2 tan theta, 2 you can take common. Acha, a I forgot to write here a, here it is a, here it is a, so 2 comes outside, theta into tan theta into sec square theta d theta. Okay, now this is a trigonometric function, this is trigonometric function, and it is algebraic function, and that is algebraic function. As you know, if this type of integrands are coming, so you have to apply integration by parts, that means the Liet or Eilert concept, okay. Now Liet Eilert concepts, you know, the priority based questions. So algebraic function or trigonometric function, which one has the first priority, Liet or Eilert? So in that case algebraic is the first priority. So what we will divide, like third bracket, theta is the first function and integration the second function, tan theta into sec square theta d theta, minus integration, big integration this one, derivative of first function into integration of the second function, which is tan theta into sec square theta d theta. Okay, and outside that d theta is for the outer integration. Okay, so this is the by parts. Now you have to apply, so this question is very important, students, please do practice at home. This one, this type of question, sine inverse root over x plus a, x by a plus a. So now 2a is there outside, what will I do? Theta into, now integration of tan theta into sec square theta. If this type of functions are coming, you know, you can apply the substitution method. Okay, what is the integration by substitution? It is like, suppose tan theta into sec square theta, as you know the derivative of tan theta is sec square theta, so directly can I write integration, if I take tan theta is z, in the rough you will do, okay, tan theta is z, sec square theta d theta will be dz, okay, it will be z square by 2 plus c, so z means tan, so tan square theta by 2, directly you will writing tan square theta by 2, okay, it will be that. Then minus, what we will complete now? This one, integration d theta of theta is 1 only, d dx of x is 1, so it is 1, and similarly we will write half of tan square theta d theta. Okay, now come to the answer. Okay, so multiply it, it will come 2 get cancelled, so a theta tan square theta minus, if you multiply 2 get cancelled, a into tan square theta, you know integration of tan square theta, you don't have any formula, sec square theta have the formula, integration of sec square theta is tan theta, convert into sec square theta, so sec square theta minus 1 d theta, so ultimate answer is coming a theta tan square theta minus a sec square theta means tan theta minus plus a, sorry, a theta plus c. Now this is not the answer, it is coming in theta, but the function was in x, function was in x, so x was, what was x? X was a tan square theta, so a tan square theta was x, so you have to put, instead of a tan square theta, it will be x, and theta will be, what is theta? If tan square theta is equals to x by a, tan theta will be root over x by a, so theta will be tan inverse root over x by a. Now students, so what we will write? X into tan inverse root over x by a minus a tan theta is, a tan theta will be, so a tan theta is actually root over x by a, plus a into theta is tan inverse root over x by a plus c. You can simplify this part, and this is the ultimate answer, okay. Now this is the ultimate answer. Now question number 14. Question number 14 is very easy, I will not do, you will do at home. Okay, this is actually at first you have to apply the substitution method, then you have to do the integration by parts. Like suppose you have to take sin inverse x equals to t, then 1 by root over 1 minus x square will come equals to dt. Okay, then you have to put it, x is sin t, x is sin t and sin inverse x is t and dx by this is dt. Now you have to apply by parts. Okay. Next question number 15. Question number 15 also is very easy. So what we will do, if this type of functions are there, like suppose px plus q linear factor is there outside of the square root and inside the square root another linear factor. In that case what you will do, you will take ax plus b as t or t square. You can take t or t square. Understood? Then what you will do, you will put this inside the integrand. Understood? So from here x you will get t minus b by a. If you will take t, x equals to t minus b. Now here question number 16. Question number 16 is In is given. In is an integration. Okay. In is this type of question. Now see students, this question will not come. This type of questions will come. Okay. So In, say nth integration is given 0 to pi by 4. This is definite integration, tan to the power n x dx. Acha. Now what they are asking? They are asking show that 1 by i2 plus i4, 1 by i3 plus i5, 1 by i4 plus i6, like this 4 terms are there. Form and AP, form, not from. Okay, form and AP. AP means arithmetic progression. You know, in arithmetic progression, common difference is there. They are asking find the common difference of this progression. Now, as you see, 1 by i2 plus i4, 1 by i3 plus i5. What is the relation between them? i4 plus i6, 1 by i4 plus i6. What is the relation between these denominator integrations? See, 2 and 4 difference is 2, 3 and 5 difference is 2, 4 and 6 difference is 2, 5 and 7 difference is 2. Now, so if we will find the i2 in plus 2, this one in plus 2, so you can make it 1 by reciprocal of that. Easily you can find the progression. Understood? So relation you will find 2 and 4. So according as you have to do that. Let's suppose if they will give you 1 by i2 plus i5, in that case 3 is the difference. So you will find in plus 3 like this. So this is the general form. Okay. Now if I will write in plus 2. So if you put n equals to 2 here, what you will get? i2 plus i4 easily. If you will put n equals to 3, you will get i3 plus i5 like this. Understood? Now in plus 2, if you will simplify it, it will come 0 to pi by 4, tan to the power, limit is same, so tan to the power nx plus tan to the power n plus 2x, okay, dx. Now you will take common. What you will take common? 0 to pi by 4, tan to the power n plus 2 is tan to the power n into tan square, tan to the power n I am taking common. Okay, so it will come 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x dx. Achha, now root 1 plus tan square x is, you know, sec square x minus tan square x is 1. 1 plus tan square is sec square x. So you can write 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power nx. So tan x to the power n into sec square x dx. Put tan x equals to t, it will be sec square x dx is equals to dt. Okay, so limit will change. Obviously it is a definite integration, limit will change. What will be the limit? See, x and t is the variables. 0 to pi by 4, if you will put x equals to 0, tan 0 is 0. If you will put pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1. So integration limit is changing from 0 to 1, tan x is t, so 2 to the power n into dt. Okay, now 2 to the power n formula is 2 to the power n plus 1. Actually this question is very easy, no? This question is very easy. Tan t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, from 0 to 1 you are putting the value, it is coming 1 by n plus 1. Okay, it is coming 1 by n plus 1. Now in plus 2 is coming, in plus 2 is equals to 1 by n plus 1 coming. Now we are going to apply this in plus 2. Okay, now 1 by 1 you will write i2 plus i4. If you will put n equals to 4, n equals to 2, what will come? 1 by 3. Okay, then i3 plus i5, if you put n equals to 3, what you will get? 1 by 3 plus 1 means 1 by 4. Then what was that? 1 by i4 plus i6. So i4 plus i6, it will come, if you will put n equals to 4, it will come 1 by 5, and I 5 plus I7, I 5 plus I7, if you put in equals to 5, it will come 1 by 6. Okay, so it is coming, see, 1 by I2 plus I4 comma 1 by I3 plus I5 comma 1 by I4 plus I6 comma 1 by I5 plus I7. What will come? 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. See, 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 are in AP, and the common difference is coming, and the common difference is coming 1. Common difference is coming 1. Okay, it is the increasing function. Understood? Now solution: integration sin x minus cos x by sin 2x. Now this is very important question. Why? Once again, because this type of question is very important. One type of is there also, if sin x plus cos x divided by root over sin 2x. In that case also, in that you have to do same. Okay, so see, we are trying to make the derivative of the denominator is coming numerator. What I am doing? So derivative of the denominator, we are trying to make derivative of denominator is in numerator. Okay, now tell me what should be there in denominator so that its derivative will come in numerator. Denominator এ কি থাকা উচিত যার জন্য ওটা ডেরিভেটিভ নিউমারেটরে আসবে? In that case, what you will do in the rough, you will do integration of this numerator function, that is sin x minus cos x. Acha, tell me, if you will do integration of this sin x minus cos x, what will come? It will come minus cos x minus sin x. No, minus cos x minus sin x, that means minus, if you take common, cos x plus sin x. So that means what I am trying to make, that derivative of the denominator should be in numerator, that should be cos x plus sin x. Okay, now see what I am making. So if I will do derivative of sin x plus cos x, what will come? Sin x plus cos x, what will come? Cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, and in the numerator it was sin x minus cos x. So actually this is coming cos x minus sin x. So what we will do in this question, take common minus 1 at first, it will come cos x minus sin x. It will come cos x minus sin x dx root over square root of sin 2x. Now I am trying to make sin x plus cos x in the denominator, since here sin 2x, so sin 2x you can make it the perfect square of this sin x plus cos x. How? So can I add 1 and subtract 1 on both sides? Can I add 1 and subtract 1 in the denominator? What will come? Now see, instead of 1 can I write sin square x plus cos square x? Can I write instead of 1 sin square x plus cos square x? I am writing plus sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. Can I write instead of sin 2x 2 sin x into cos x? Minus 1 is coming outside. So integration cos x minus sin x dx root over sin x plus cos x whole square, sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Now we are going to put sin x plus cos x as t. Now put sin x plus cos x is equals to t. In that it will come cos x minus sin x dx equals to dt. Is coming, students? So minus integration dt by root over t square minus 1, root over t square minus 1. Okay, so it is coming minus integration root over t square minus 1 formula log of mod of t plus root over t square minus 1. So ultimately answer will come, you will not write in the form of t, in the form of x. So t I have taken sin x plus cos x, so sin x plus cos x plus root over sin square x plus sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. What will come? This sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1, same sin 2x, you will write sin 2x. Okay, plus c is the answer. So this is your answer. So see, this question may come in the form of what I told, sin x plus cos x also, sin x plus cos x in the numerator, sin x plus cos x divided by root over sin 2x. In that case you are trying to find the denominator function, as the derivative of the denominator will come numerator, so you will find like this only. Okay, so integration of sin x plus cos x. What is integration of sin x plus cos x? Minus cos x plus sin x. So basically sin x minus cos x you are trying to make in denominator, sin x minus cos x. So how to make it sin x minus cos x in denominator, so that you will take this as t and you will get the numerator function. How? Sin x minus cos x. Can I write the denominator sin 2x as square root of since sin x minus cos x, so minus whole square function. At first you will multiply minus here. At first what you will multiply? Minus minus plus only. So in that case you will get like this. See, sin x plus cos x divided by root over minus is in outside second bracket minus sin 2x as it is, right? Add 1 minus sin 2x and minus 1. Okay, so what I am doing, adding 1 and minus 1. So it is coming sin x plus cos x divided by square root of, since under this square root minus cannot be there outside, so because it will be an imaginary number, in that case you will multiply minus. So it will come 1 minus sin 2x, now only I told sin x minus cos x whole square. Okay, in this form it is coming. Now you will take let sin x minus cos x is equals to t. Sin x minus cos x equals to t. Similarly as the previous one, you will proceed this. Understood? Now this evaluate integration e to the power minus e to the power x minus e to the power minus. So this question is very easy because directly it is coming. Derivative of the denominator function is coming in numerator. So directly it is coming. So you don't have to take tension on that. So directly you can do at home. Achha. This is same type of question which I have already discussed, that integration of p cos x plus q sin x plus r. This is very important because this type of question is coming every year. So please mark it, a cos x plus b sin x plus c. If this type of functions is there in numerator and denominator, sin x cos x function, what you will do, the numerator function you will write at first, let, okay, sin x plus c, sorry, qx plus q sin x plus r is equals to capital A derivative of the denominator function, okay, plus b into denominator function plus c. So you have to compare sin x cos x coefficients and you have to find this a and b and c. Then you have to put in the function, you will get the answer. Okay, this sin x plus root 3 cos x. So acha, once again one type of question is coming here, integration dxy. If suppose a cos x in the denominator only, a cos x plus b sin x plus c, this type of is coming. One of them also it may come, like a cos x plus b sin x also may come. Understood? Or dx by a cos x plus c also may come, a b sin x plus c also may come in denominator, only in denominator. If it is coming, what you will do, you will apply the formula as sin 2x formula was, you know, with the tan. Sin 2x formula was 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and cos 2x formula was 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Can you remember this formula? This two formula was there in class 11. No? So you have to apply these formulas. Like you can put, instead of cos x, you can write cos sin x is 2 tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2, half angle formula, and cos x will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Is it okay? So you can apply this formula. This is one type of question. Instead of this, they can give you any function with the sin and cos. Understood? Only in denominator. Previous one was in numerator and denominator both. If this type of functions are coming, in that case we will do this, and in this case in the denominator only sin x cos x will be there. Okay, now this question is much easier than this method. Okay, one more alternative method is there. If you can write, if you can multiply 2 and divide by 2, if you can multiply by 2 and divide by 2, what will come? Check, it will come, half is coming outside, dx by, can I write sin x into cos x plus x pi by 4 plus cos x into sin pi by cos pi by 6 and cos x into sin pi by 6. Sin x into cos pi by 6 plus cos x into sin pi by 6. Can I write? Okay. So or you can write like this also, sin x into, because half is sin pi by 6 formula, as well as you can write cos pi by 3 formula, cos 60 degree, no, cos 60 degree is half, so cos pi by 3 formula, or and root 3 by 2 you can write sin pi by 3 or cos pi by 6. Any one of them you can compare. Okay, so sin x into, if you want to write cos, so cos pi by 3 you have to write, plus cos x into sin pi by 3 in that case. Okay, so what will come, check once. It will come half into dx by sin x plus pi by 3. Now directly you can do half of integration cosec x plus pi by 3 dx, and you can apply the cosec formula. Integration of cosec x is log of mod of cosec x minus cot x, or log of tan x by 2. Okay, you can apply this and you will get the answer. Next, evaluate the integration x plus 1 into e to the power x by x cos square x into e to the power x. You can put x e to the power x is equals to t. X e to the power x is equals to t. If you put x e to the power x equals to t, what you will get? X into e to the power x plus e to the power x dx equals to dt. Basically it is coming, if you take common e to the power x, it will come e to the power x into x plus 1 dx equals to dt. Integration dt by cos square t. Okay, dt by cos square t means integration sec square t. Very easy question. Sec square t integration is tan t, and t is x e to the power x plus c. Okay, now question number 22. Question number 22 is coming, integration e to the power cot inverse x into this. What you will take? Put cot inverse x equals to t. Okay, you will get 1 by 1 plus x square with minus sign dx is equals to tt. If you do derivative, you know tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse x derivative is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so in that case what will come? E to the power t into, from here x is coming cot t. So you will write 1 minus cot t, or you can take z, will be looking good. Okay, dz. So cot z plus cot square z by 1 plus x square is already, you know, it is coming dt or dz. It is coming dz. Okay, so it is coming e to the power z into 1 plus cot square z. You know what is that? Cosec square minus cot square. Cosec square x minus cot square x is equals to 1. Okay, so 1 plus cot square x is coming cosec square x. Can I write cosec square z minus cot z? Acha. Now what is the derivative of cot x? What is the derivative of cot x? Derivative of tan x is, derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So cosec square x integration, you know, derivative of cot z is minus cosec square z. So better to take common minus e to the power z into cot z in the first position, then minus, so you can write like this, minus cosec square z. Okay, dz. Now minus one property, you know, what is the property? That property was with the e to the power x into fx plus f dash x. If the function is here, its derivative in the next position, in that case you can write e to the power x fx is the answer directly. So this is also very important, e to the power x fx plus c. So here can I write cot z derivative is minus cosec square z, so you can write e to the power z into cot z is the answer. Now since z is not z, you will put, what will put? Cot inverse x. So answer will come minus e to the power cot inverse x into cot z is x plus c. This is your answer. Okay, minus x into e to the power cot inverse x plus c. Okay, now question number 23 you will do at home. Okay, into question number 23 in two types you can do. One, you can put instead of x any trigonometric function, or by rationalization you can solve it. Okay, question number 23. Question number 24, try it, it is very important. Question number 24 is, you can try, I can give you the hint here. So hint is, you have to divide by cos to the power 4 on numerator and denominator both. What you will do? Divide by cos to the power 4. Now if you divide by cos to the power 4, inside the square root what will come? Cos to the power 8. No, cos to the power 8 will come. So in the numerator it is coming sec to the power 4x. So you can write sec square x into sec square x. Okay, dx divided by square root of sine cube x into cos sin cube x by cos cube x. Is it coming? Sin cube x by cos cube x. So this is the main purpose why I am dividing by cos to the power 4x. Why not cos cube x? Why not cos square x? Because if you divide by cos to the power 4x, in the denominator you will get the same power. See, 3 here was 3 power, here also 3 is coming. So for this only for this reason only I have divided by cos to the power 4. Now what is coming? First sec square x you can write 1 plus tan square x, 1 plus tan square x, and second sec square x as it is, right? Okay, divided by what is coming? Tan cube x. So tan to the power 3 by 2x. Okay, now put tan x is equals to t or z. If you put tan x equals to z, what will be the integration? 1 plus z square. Acha, what is derivative of tan x? Sec square x dx is equals to dz. Okay, so in that case you can write directly dz by z to the power 3 by 2. Okay, now simplify. 1 by z to the power 3 by 2, can I write z to the power minus 3 by 2 plus z square by 3 by 2, it will come 2 minus 3 by 2, it is 4 by 4 minus 3, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 by 2, so plus z to the power half dz. Now integration, simple integration you will do. Can you solve it? Yes. Now do this rest one as home. Okay, now 25 and 26 are same type of question. 25 and 26 are same type of question. Okay, let's see. So 25 number is in denominator cos x minus a and cos x minus b. In that case, and in the 26 number question, see sin x minus a into sin x minus b. So in 25 and 26 both are same functions, cos, and here sin. So in that type of functions, what we will do? So if same type of functions are there, you will divide by sin a minus b and multiply by sin a minus b, like this. Okay, cos x minus a into cos x minus b dx. Here also same function, so 1 by sin a minus b divide and sin a minus b multiplication. Okay, now one more type of question they can ask you, like they can ask like this also, dx by sin x minus a into cos x minus b. Okay, to different functions, sin and cos in denominator. In that case, what we will do? You are dividing by cos a minus b multiply by cos a minus b. Okay, sin x minus a into sin x minus b, cos x minus b. Okay, so there are 3 types of questions, both are same in denominator, and it may be cos, sin, or sin or cos in denominator, sin, cos. Understood? So in that case, what we will do? In that case, you will make the numerator as sin x minus b minus x minus a. So if you will write like this, see, a instead of a minus b, I am writing x minus b minus x minus a. It is same thing. Understood? And in the denominator, x minus a into cos x minus b. Now what we will do? Sin a minus b formula, class 11, sin a minus b formula. What was that? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, this formula we will apply. Okay, so here capital A is x minus b angle and capital B angle is x minus a angle. Understood? You will apply the formula, you will solve this, you will get the solution. Most important questions, one of the most important question. Okay, next 27 number, same as 25 and 26, like you will write x minus a plus a, like this. So here x minus a in the denominator, so that's why like same angle you will make in the numerator also, x minus a plus a. In that case you will apply the same formula, sin a plus b formula. Okay, so you will get sin x minus a into cos a plus cos x minus a into sin a divided by sin x minus a. Now what we will do? You will separate this, it will be get cancelled out and it will be cot. And sin a the constant, sin a will come outside of the integration. Okay students, so 28 number, pause the video and take this as screenshot and do solve this question, sin to the power x 6 plus cos to the power 6. Basically what we will do, hint is you can write sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube. Can I write it? Divide by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now a cube plus b cube formula, as you know, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So same formula I am going to apply here. Sin square x plus cos square x, then sin to the power 4x minus sin square x cos square x, then plus cos to the power 4x. It is 1, okay. Sin square x into cos square x, it is dx. Now you are going to do the, it is 1 actually, it is get cancel it out. Now you have to think what to do here. It is your homework, okay. It is your homework. Integration cos 2x. What is the cos 2x formula? Cos 2x formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x, okay, or you can write 2 cos square x minus 1. Apply here. What will be that? If you will write 1 minus 2 sin square x, and cos 2 alpha is 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. 2 sin square alpha, is it coming? No, because sin is there in numerator, but in denominator it is cos. So which formula you have to apply? Cos formula you have to apply, okay. Cos formula if you apply, what will come? 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha. Now see, 1 get cancel it out. What is coming? So it is coming 2 if you take common, cos square x minus cos square alpha, a square minus b square. So cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha, okay. It is get cancel it out. It is very easy. Integration cos x plus cos alpha integration, you can solve it. Cos alpha is a constant, this is constant, okay. It will go outside of the integration, don't do integration on that. Now integrals of some particular functions. Particular functions are like, you have to make it as derivative of the denominator function in the numerator. Like 2x square plus x minus 3, what is the derivative of that? At first in graph do it, 4x plus 1. So directly it is coming. So what we will write? Integration d of 2x square plus x minus 3 is directly coming, okay, divide by root over 2x square plus x minus 3. Now only I told if it is coming d of x by root x, d of fx by root over fx, what we will write? Directly 2 root over fx plus c. So what will be the answer? 2 root over 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. This is your answer, okay. Now integrate this function. Integration of this, what we will do? You will do perfect square. How to make it perfect square? Do it. 7 minus 6x minus x square. How to make it perfect square? So at first, since it is under the square root, you cannot make it inside the square root minus, but here to make it perfect square you have to take common minus at first. So x square plus 6x minus 7, okay. Now minus x square plus 2 into x into 3, can I write it? Plus 3 square is 9. Now extra I am taking 9, so you have to subtract it also, okay. You have to subtract it. What will come? X square plus 3 whole, x plus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 7 is 16, okay. So it is coming 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. Now put it here, dx by root over 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. So what is coming? A square minus x square formula, sin inverse x by a directly, sin inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus c. This is your answer. Very easy question. 1 marks question, 2 marks question. So next questions we will solve tomorrow. So wait for the tomorrow.